Muzaffarpur studying class 10J and I am here to introduce our project based on art integrated learning with topic Mother Nature and with subtopic surface area and volume.
Introduction. India is a very big and vast country with different types of religion, culture, language and heritage. In this project, we correlate our state Bihar with Tripura and Mizoram and also we show some mathematical aspects in correlation. Let's see. About the chapter surface area and volumes. In our day-to-day life, we come across various solids which are combination of two or more such solids. In this chapter, we can able to learn about the surface area and volumes of different solids. Also, this chapter is used in the solving many problems in making goods and transporting substances. Here you can see the image of the NCERT textbook of the chapter surface area and volumes. Forest types of Bihar, Tripura and Mizoram. Forest type of Bihar is deciduous sal forest and forest type of Tripura is deciduous forest. The forest type of Mizoram is semi-evergreen forest. Surface area. The surface area of forest of Bihar is 6,845 square kilometer approx and of Tripura 5,745 square kilometer approx and of Mizoram 21,081 square kilometer approx. Popular tree of the forest of Bihar is sal and teak and of Tripura bamboo and artocarpus. Lavising and Chata are the popular tree of the forest of Mizoram. Length of the tree. The average length of the tree of the Bihar is 5 into 3 feet and the average length of the tree of Tripura is 4 into 3 feet and the average length of the tree in Mizoram is 8 into 9 inch. Forest surface area percentage of world geographic area. 7.1% in Bihar, 5% approx in Tripura and 2 to 3% approx in Mizoram. Here you can see the images of forest of Bihar, Tripura and Mizoram.
Hello, I am Ankit and I am here to present you a data of agriculture, land use pattern, economy and location of Bihar, Tripura and Mizoram.
Agriculture of Bihar, Tripura and Mizoram. Agriculture of Bihar. The major agricultural products of Bihar are cereals, pulses, oilseed, vegetables and cash crops. Wheat is produced 4 to 4.5 million tons per year. Paddy is produced about 5 million tons per year. Agriculture of Tripura. The state has favorable climatic conditions for cultivating various fruit and horticultural crops including rice, jackfruit, pineapple, potato, sugarcane, chili and natural rubber. Paddy is produced about 0.7 million tons per year. Sugarcane is produced about 0.5 million tons per year. Agriculture of Mizoram. Paddy is produced about 0.347 lakh tons per year. Maize is produced about 8,911 metric tons per year.
Land use pattern of Bihar, Tripura and Mizoram. Land use pattern of Bihar. 60% of land are agricultural land, 7% of land are under forest, 33.9% of land are used for other activities. Land use pattern of Tripura. 29% of land are agricultural land, 58% of land are under forest, and 13% of land are used for other activities. Land use pattern of Mizoram. 13% of land are used as agricultural land, 76% of land are under forest, and 11% of land are used for other activities.
Location of Bihar, Tripura and Mizoram. Location of Bihar. Location of Tripura. Location of Mizoram.
Hello everyone, I am Manisha of class 10Z and my topic is the surface area of Bihar, Mizoram and Tripura. To know about the surface area of Bihar, Tripura and Mizoram of different location. Bihar. Bihar is a state in eastern India. It is the third largest state by population and 12th largest state by territory. At the 2011 census, Bihar was the third most populous state of India with total population 9.9 crore. It is also India's most densely populated state with 1106 persons per square kilometer. The sex ratio was 918 females per 1000 males. Mizoram. Mizoram is a state in northeastern India with as well as its capital city. Mizoram's population was 10.9 lakhs according to a 2011 census. It is the second least populous state in the country. The sex ratio of the state is 976 females per 1000 males, higher than the national ratio 940. The density of population is 52% per square kilometer. Tripura. Tripura is a state in northeastern India, the third smallest state in the country. In 2011, the state had 36.6 lakh residents, 0.3% of the country's population. Tripura has a population of 36.6 lakh with 18.7 lakh males and 17.9 lakhs females. The sex ratio of the state is 961 females per 1000 males, higher than the national ratio 940. The density of the population is 350 persons per square kilometer. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Ayush Raj and I am here to represent the length and volume of rivers of Bihar, Mizoram and Tripura. Rivers of Bihar, Mizoram and Tripura. Ganga. The Ganga rises in the Gangotri Glacier. Its length is about 2704 km and its basin size is 1,32,000 square km. Its average discharge is 16,648 cubic meter per second. The Long is a river of Mizoram, northeastern India. It is the longest river of Mizoram, 234 km in length. It originates in the Jopui Hills at a height of 1395 meters. Howrah. The Howrah River flows through the Indian city of Agartala. Its length is about 61.2 km. Its basin size is 570 square meter. Its annual flow is 36,032 cubic meter. Gandak. The Gandaki River, also known as the Narayani River, arises in Nepal. It flows in Bihar. Its total catchment area is 46,300 square kilometer. Its length is about 814 kilometer. Chimtupi. The river Chimtupi, also known as the Kaladan River, is a river of Mizoram. Its total length is about 138 km. It originates at a height of 2325 meters. Manu. The Manu rises in the mountains of Tripura. It originates in the second hill of Tripura. It originates at a height of 269 meters. Its length is about 167 km. Mathematics and Mother Nature. It has been observed that nature is full of patterns and phenomena. Example, rainbow, which is in a spherical shape. There are many such phenomena associated with mathematics. Many creatures on this earth are symmetrical. Rivers also form a beautiful pattern. At some place they form a U-shaped and V-shaped pattern. They form to divert river water from one direction to another. They also fall through slopes that increase their speed.
Hello everyone, this is Aditi Singh of Standard 10J and I am here to represent my topic, that is the Save Mother Nature and Culture of Bihar, Tripura and Mizoram.
Save Mother Nature. The earth is home for all of us and it is our responsibility to ensure that it is sustained and minded. Earth has been termed Mother Nature or Motherland basically because of its productive and life-giving nature, which is complementary to the roles of a mother. The earth is kind to humans, are ungrateful, and they return unkindness to it by destroying it. Don't destroy the greenery and don't spoil the scenery. Save Mother Nature. Grave issue. Every year, 22nd April is celebrated as the Earth Day to create awareness on environmental issues. But it is indeed a matter of serious concern that our planet is facing large-scale issues for its survival. Horrendous calamities like tsunami, volcano eruption, drought, etc. and many more are witnessing around the year. Measures to be taken. Stringent measures must be adopted to save our motherland from the havoc created by climate change. In India, mostly all of the forests are under government jurisdiction of the central and the state forest departments. The Indian government has enforced various projects like the Save Tiger project for conservation of wild animals. Culture of Bihar, Tripura and Mizoram. The arts and other manifestations of human intellectual achievement regarded collectively. Culture is the arts elevated to the set of belief. Culture of Bihar. Bihari culture refers to the culture of the Indian state of Bihar. Language. Hindi is the official language of the state, while Mathili, Bhojpuri, Urdu and Angika are other recognized language of the state. Foods. Famous food of Bihar is litti chokha, chicken masala, fish curry. Festivals. Chhath is an ancient and major Vedic festival celebrated in Bihar. Religion in Bihar. Religion and percentage. Hinduism 82.7%, Islam 16.9% and other 0.3%. Culture of Tripura. Culture of Tripura is similar to those of native indigenous tribal people of northeast India. Music are integral part of the tribal people of Tripura. Some of their musical instruments are sarin and sumui. Sports. Football and cricket are the most popular sports in the state. The state capital Agartala has its own football club. Handicrafts. Tripura is noted for bamboo and cane handicrafts. It was used to make watch stations on stilts. Culture of Mizoram. The Mizoram formed one of the important hill tribes of the Indian subcontinent. Language and literature. Mizo is the official language of Mizoram along with English. Mizoram literature is the literature written in Mizoram Twang. Music. Mizoram folk music consists of vocal accompanied by traditional drums, gong and other native percussion instruments. Foods. The staple food of most of the Mizoram people is rice with meat and vegetables.
Hello everyone, this is Kashish Sharma from class 10J and my topic is the beauty of Mother Nature in Bihar, Tripura and Mizoram.
The beauty of Mother Nature in Bihar, Tripura, Mizoram. Bihar, Golghar. The Golghar is a large granary located to west of the Gandhi Maidan in Patna, capital of Bihar state, India. Dimension, diameter 32 meter to 35 meter, height 29 meter. It is a pillarless with a wall of thickness of 3.6 meter at the base. Mahatma Gandhi Setu Bridge. This bridge over the Ganga in Bihar, India. Its length is 5,750 meter and 18,860 feet. Width 25 meter and 82 feet. Number of spans 45. Nalanda. It was an ancient Mahavira, a revered Buddhist monastery which also served as a renowned center of learning in the ancient kingdom of Magad in India. Length 240 meter and 800 feet. Mizoram. Vantavang Falls. It is located 5 km and 3.1 miles south of Thenswal in Sarchip district in the Indian state of Mizoram. It is about 92 kilometers and 57.2 miles away from Aswal. Total height 750 feet and 230 meter. Longest drop 60 meter and 200 feet. Solomon's Temple. This temple in Aswal, Mizoram is constructed by Koran Thiang Hilm, which is rendered the Holy Church in English square side 180 feet. On each side, a veranda is 30 feet wide. Tripura. Vijayanta Palace. It is a museum and former palace of the Kingdom of Tripura situated in Agartala, which is now the capital of the Tripura. Its compound covers an area of approximately 1 kilometer square and 250 acres. The building and grounds cover 800 acres 3.2 kilometer square in the heart of Agartala. Rudra Sagar Lake. It is also known as Trijikma, is a lake located in Melaghar, Tripura, India. The lake forms a geographical area of 2.4 square kilometer and situated at a distance of about 52 km from the state capital of Tripura. Lake water is fresh with insignificant pollution with a depth varies from 2 meter to 9 meter. Fluctuation in water level varies from 9 meter to 16 meter.
Reference: NCERT book, class 10th Maths. Thanks for watching.